Hello, my pretties. So this is episode number 41 or 42. I don't remember. One of the two. But anyway, I've been driving for Lyft and Uber for 3.5 years, independently, I might add. And well, the other day, another great story completely worth keeping a video journal of. So, here's how it went down. I pull up to my pickup location, and there's a nice looking, very attractive black lady there waiting for me. I pull up and she looks at me very funny and she says, are you my Uber driver? I say, well, yes, I am. And she says, well, I wasn't expecting you. I didn't think they would send me you. Looked at her a little strangely and I said, well, Uber sends you a picture of your driver, the car, the license plate, so I should not be a surprise by any stretch of the imagination. And then she says, can you let me peek inside of your car for a moment? Sure. She looks around. What's that? Well, that's an apple. It's organic. I like to eat healthy and snack along the way. And she takes another look and pauses for a moment and she says, I'm just not feeling the vibes from you. I don't feel comfortable. I'm like, well, ma'am, I don't want to make you feel uncomfortable. I can't imagine what I did other than my mere existence. But if you would like, I can let this ride expire and you can request a new driver. Would you like that? Yes, that sounds fine. Okay. I just have to wait 4 more minutes. It will charge you a fee, and then you can request another driver. She agreed to that, so okay, fine, whatever. Weird. It gets even more weird than this, believe me. So let's get on with it then. So 4 minutes goes by. I'm playing on Facebook. Imagine that. And just as I'm canceling the ride, marking it expired, no call, no show, whatever, she approaches my car, and she says, how long is it going to take for you to order me another ride? I'm like, well, I just canceled this one, so now you can order another ride. I can't order one for you. You have to do that. And she says, well, I can't because I don't have my phone with me anymore. It's not on me anymore. I didn't ask. I don't want to go down that bunny trail. It's like, well, I can't, doesn't matter. I can't order you another ride. That's on you. I did what you asked me to do, so good luck. She's like, no, you gotta hear me out, honey, baby, sweetheart. If it's just a money thing, I can, when we get to my place, I can run in the house and get you a bunch of cash. And I'm like, no, ma'am, I can't do that. I did what you asked me to do. Good luck. And I drove off, and that was that. So right off the bat, comment below, do you think if I did do the ride, she would run in the house and grab the cash and pay me? Or do you think she was trying to scam me? My vote is she was trying to scam me. Also, notice how in the beginning it was a little dehumanizing. There was no reason for her to cancel that ride or to have me cancel the ride, except she didn't like the way I looked. I don't know. That's really bizarre. So what do you guys think? Why would she have canceled that? There was no reason for it except she didn't like the way that I looked. I don't know. And do you think she would have scammed me if I did do the ride? And also, she made it very obvious she was trying to manipulate me. I mean, at first it was, dehumanize the driver a little bit. And then she turned on the, oh baby, oh sweetheart, I'll get you a lot of cash when you take me to where I want to go. Whatever. That was so brazenly obvious. It's like, I mean, I didn't bring any of that stuff up. I was completely professional the entire time because I saw her as benign and just hysterical. That was very interesting, so definitely worthy of a video. Hi, April. Wow, WTF, how stupid of her. Geez. Yeah, so if she wasn't trying to scam me and her phone really was dead or not available anymore, then she just cornered herself into being stuck there for who knows. I have no idea. I don't know anything about her or her situation. But oh yeah, somewhere in the midst of the very short conversation, I did say, well, ma'am, I've done 17,000 rides. I'm a 5-star driver. It doesn't get any better than me. Oh yeah, and then to that she did she said, I'm sorry, because at that point the ride was already canceled. She said, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have done that, but baby, sweetheart, honey, if you take me to my place where I'm going, I will run in and get you a lot of cash to pay for the ride. I'm like, no, ma'am, I can't do that. So obviously she was trying to manipulate me. None of it was genuine. And if she really was intellectually challenged, fuck it. If she really was dumb, then she put herself into a really bad corner. And I guess that's on her. It's just an interesting observation. So I'd love to hear your comments. Do you think she was trying to scam me? And I'll ask a really stupid question. Do you think she was trying to manipulate me when she transferred from dehumanized the driver to, oh, baby, sweetheart, I'll give you cash. Just take me where I want to go. I don't know. But she couldn't have been trying to get a free ride because I told her if I cancel this one, it will charge you a fee. So maybe she was trying to get a discounted ride. A discounted ride meaning she'd paid a small fee, and then when I brought her to her place, if I were to fall for that, she would just disappear and not come out with money. I don't know. I really don't know what was going on with her. She was very weird and bizarre, and all the best to her. If she was up to something nefarious, then I hope she transforms and evolves into a better person. Or if she was just extremely dumb, I hope she transforms and evolves into somebody who isn't dumb. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, drop your comments. I'd love to hear what you guys think. She was looking for someone more gullible. Maybe so, Michael. Definitely scamming and probably didn't have money. Maybe, I don't know, but she just costed herself more money because the ride was canceled. So they would have charged her a fee for a no-call, no-show. So that leads me to believe maybe she was just dumb. Maybe she's dumb and trying to scam me. I didn't think of that one. I really don't know. It was really interesting. Hello, Kate. Nice to see you here. I just told the story, so you missed it. But you can go back and watch when it's posted. So by the way, everyone, feel free to go to my YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the videos over there. This will be uploaded over there as well. And this is episode number, I believe it's 42. I was confused in the beginning, 41 or 2, but I'm pretty sure this is episode 42. So on my YouTube channel, I have a whole playlist. If you go to my YouTube channel, Tom Birkenmeyer, just like it's spelled here, and do a search, and my playlist will come up as the first result. I've tested that. And my channel will be the first result. And in my playlist, of which I've got many, one of them is Uber and Lyft stories, confessions of an Uber Lyft driver. And there's 41 episodes before this one. This will be the 42nd one. And man, I've got some doozies in there, including this one. Let's see. Sabrina says, whatever she was doing, you did the right thing. Get away, toxic woman. Yeah, I like to think I did the right thing too. All the stuff she was playing me with, I didn't go down those pathways and ask questions. Like I could have easily have said, like when she said she didn't have her phone, I could have been like, well, how'd you order the ride? I just didn't want to go down that path, so I just let it go right in one ear and out the other. That was that. Hi, Perry. You missed it. Sorry to say. So this has nothing to do with the video, by the way, but I have got to turn this off in the next 1 or 2 minutes because I have got some vegan, dairy-free, that was redundant, vegan, dairy-free nachos and cheese in the oven, of which, by the way, if you do go to my YouTube channel, I've got another playlist for plant-based whole food cooking and juicing, and my homemade vegan nachos and cheese is also in that playlist. I've got a lot of stuff over there. You should check it out and like all the videos and subscribe, and that certainly helps me out a ton. If you got value. If you don't get any value from my stuff, don't subscribe. But if you do, return the favor and subscribe. That actually helps me with the YouTube algorithms over there on YouTube, so that they put my stuff in front of more eyeballs, which is pretty awesome. Okay, I think I've said everything I wanted to say on this video. Told the story, did the plugs. Thanks, everyone. I appreciate you very much. Love to you all. Mwah.